Hi everyone, I'm Vladimir Kastavet, the director of the company QV Projects. We are here to show you the project that we recently completed, which is a rear extensions with a full refurbishment in a modern style. Please come in and check it. And now I would like to start with this lovely and beautiful kitchen in a modern style where the designers have implemented a nice mixture of the materials to create an industrial, modern and at the same time minimalistic product. As you can see, I'll start with the worktop. The worktop has been used here is a brushed stainless steel. What is the benefits of having it? The stainless steel is a material that doesn't allow, it's not a permeable material, so it doesn't allow to soak any solutions or food in it, therefore is non-bacterial material. At the same time, we have used a 4mm stainless steel that creates a nice fine line which goes very well with the birch ply underneath to create the worktop. Next, I would like to explain you why we have used a spray painted MDF facades on the kitchen. As you can see, the property is being built with a nice Italian terrazzo tiles, which are very colorful, with a lot of colors in it. And as the MDF can be painted with a spray in any round color, we have chosen a color that will match very nicely and perfectly with our tiles. Therefore, we have these minimalistic MDF facades with a fine grooved cutting handles that creates this beautiful and warmth into the kitchen. Next, as you can see, we have used the birch ply that's been lacquered on side with nice LED lights that gives the kitchen a quite modern style into it, and at the same time gives the color warmth into this kitchen. Here we have the kitchen with the whole electrical hob, a sink, a fridge and all necessary appliances into this lovely kitchen, while at the same time we have an open space that gives the opportunity to have a feel of an open space of the kitchen, be able to see what other people are on the other side. Now I'd like to show you the rear extension that we completed on this property. This is the actual rear extension that has been built and enlarged the house to 150 square meters. And we created an additional big, large double bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and a little study at the entrance. The extension has been built with brick and brick walls, and we kept the same original bricks style which we use into this property. We had to choose really carefully the bricks that we have at the moment, because they had to match perfectly 100% with the existing outside bricks, because that was one exactly requirement in the building design and in the building regulations that we had to build these bricks. And as you can see, also the bricks being in a light grey color matches very well with the terrazzo tiles that have been used here and brings in the same exactly style and look, making the property to look very modern, very minimalistic and warm in the same time. I would like next to show you the idea that has been used on the ceiling to create this look of high ceilings and at the same time give a nice opportunity to show the beauty of modern minimalistic styles, which though is a bit more complicated because doesn't leave us room for errors. Every single line has to be in a perfect way. We have used a real birch timber to create this nice structural ceiling with birch ply to complement the timber, so we can create a nice warmth and at the same time minimalistic industrial style of the ceiling with minimal lightings, as you can see, that are coming exactly from the walls from the different sides. The extension is being finished with a nice terrazzo tiles that goes all the way into the property, creating this infinity of the flooring. I would like also to show you these big doors that has been used into this property, and they are alu-clad windows what is an alu-clad? An alu-clad window is a timber window with cladding from the outside in aluminium. The benefits of having these sort of doors or windows is because they give the opportunity to have a long-lasting product in your property and less maintenance. At the same time, keeping the same modern style and the warmth into the property. And of course, we have a huge, nice open plan into the garden of the property. Next, I would like to show you the ensuite bathroom that has been created together when we were building the extension. This is the little bathroom that comes into the same extension with the bedrooms that is specifically designed for the bedroom to be as an ensuite. As you can see, it's a really nice sized bathroom that we have a shower, we have the other side a bathroom, and where we have a sink and a toilet. Again, the terrazzo tiles goes all the way smoothly, all the way even in the shower, creating this infinity lovely look that creates these minimalistic procedures to give us the opportunity to feel like a big free space. The tiles have been used in a matte finish to match in a bit with the colors of the tiles that we have on the floor, at the same time to create a nice accent into this bathroom. And we build it at the same all the way in the shower and gives a nice, lovely, warm, but at the same time minimalistic style of the bathroom. And this bathroom also we managed to build in a nice minimalistic with a birch ply timber to create a nice storage space into the bathroom. And as you can see, we have the entire wall built in the same storage, making the bathroom to look bigger because we have the mirrors, and at the same time gives the opportunity to have a lot of storage. And now I would like to show you the actual bedrooms of the property. Here we are coming to a little corridor that makes with nice tall doors, bespoke manufactured for us in order to create a nice space and a useful space. First, I'd like to show you one of the bedrooms. This is a nice double bedroom created minimalistic with a nice bed, with a possibility to have a nice mirror where you can do all the makeups, and at the same time having a nice quiet space because all the windows looking into the garden. Therefore, the space is really quiet and warm at the same time. Again, we use here the alu-clad windows, the entire property to give the same warmth, minimalistic view, and with the nice aluminium finish outside. The window seals in the property here, we have used a Valchromat MDF, so we can match into the colors and keep the same minimal finishes into the property and to match with the windows. Next, I would like to show you that we have an additional bathroom or a shower room, in which looks to be like a small shower room, but again we have a nice storage, built-in storage, bespoke made, and as you can see, it's very important and it's very difficult in a minimalistic style to create the lines really perfect for all the tiles, how you come with the tiles and finishes and matching with the nice birch ply windows. The same here, we have all the terrazzo going all the way in the shower and using the same nice minimal tiles into the walls, also into the shower walls. And finally, I would like to show you the last bedroom, which again, as you can see, we still kept a nice, very well roofed space with a possibility actually to come out into the garden, which this property can be a very lovely property for a nice family with kids, because the kids can come out and into the garden and can enjoy the space. Now I would like to invite you to the garden so we can discuss this. The infinity of the property. As you can see, you can come out. Here we have a covered so we can be protected from the sun. We kept the original walls as they were before. We just added some lights and we're cladding all around the windows with new timber. As you can see, our lovely windows all the way to the ceilings, that gives the opportunity to having a nice open plan view of the property. Thank you very much for viewing us, and if you liked what we do, please follow us.